Hi people, this is Nery again. Okay, doing a various videos ahead of time because sometimes I don't have the time to do it. So this way I just go, okay, I just upload it and that's it. Okay, I want you to see my eggplant. Look how beautiful it is. Over there, there's three of them. You see there one, okay, one up here. Where is it? Okay, let me go and focus. One there, the other one there, and there's one in between the leaves and stuff right there. You gotta look carefully. So there's three outside, and there's one here and another one here. Plus we got a few of them, like this one right here. It already gave out the flower, so now it's gonna give the fruit. I'm glad that I found out in time because I would have took this plant and would have break it and throw it out, thinking that it had some sort of disease or something. But no, you see, they're all nice and purple. I didn't have the time to be checking up on them and pollinating them and none of that stuff. So I call it. So that's why they came out beautiful. What I'm gonna do here, I have. Let me show you. Look how big the black one is. This is the black eggplant. I will try to cut down a little bit of this plant, and put them together. I also want to take out my aloe vera. Let me see if I could show you my aloe vera. As you can see there, it's very big and it has lots of kids. And I've been giving them out and they keep coming back up. So this one, I'll probably buy another big, I call it a big pot or something and put them in there, or separate them and put each one in a different, I call it a different pot. And I also have my soursop right there. The video I did it before, they say, my mom told me it might be soursop, that it doesn't smell, I thought it was, it smells a little bit like it, but I think it's from the family of the soursop. The leaves over there, they're way longer than these. Soursops are not that long, the leaves, and they're very good for tea. Yes, they say it's very good for tea, to make tea. So I gotta try that. I haven't done it yet. I think I did it one time and it tastes really good, but I haven't done it yet. And they say it's good for diabetes and and all that stuff. So I'm happy I got all this, and I'm happy I got my beautiful lettuce, something like that. I don't know. They keep telling me it's not lettuce, it's lettuce. Okay, I don't know. So I was planning to let it grow their seeds, but then I'm gonna be without this beautiful fruit, veggie. I love it. I peeled it up as you can see. Let me see right there. I peeled all this down. And it's all at the top. So I don't know. Now I let it grow a little bigger, and then I eat this other part right here. So but I was thinking this weekend buy one. Buy or next week sometime. Let me see if somebody could go and buy it for me. Because I don't feel like going out. So I want to buy another one of these. These are purple lettuce. I want to buy another one of these. So I could have two. One I could let bulge. It'll probably be this one because it's the oldest. And the other one, I could just eat it. And it tastes delicious. I also want to show you, the granddaughter gave me some seeds. Look how big they are. She was excited because she came the other day and tells me, Tata, how's the lettuce? Did they die? I said, no, Mama, they didn't die. Come and see it. And she got so excited. Wow, they're big. And I said, you going to eat some? I don't like veggies. But you like veggies, so that's why I bought it for you. I said, okay, dear. So people, try to always grow something, especially if you live in Puerto Rico. The agriculture here is only 2% after Maria. So they ain't much. If anything happens, they ain't much. And learn how to do part inside. I already know how you could light them inside, with the lights, LED lights and all that stuff. And learn how to do a little different things. I'm planning to save money, and I'm gonna, how you call it, probably in 2-3 months, I'm gonna see if I could get this kind of how you call it, I don't know what they call this. Okay, these gate things, I don't know what they call it. Anyway, I'm gonna buy the small one with the small holes, because these big holes right here, my dog put his whole leg in there and pulls himself up. So he knows how to climb that. So if I put the small ones, he ain't gonna be able to put his feet there, and he ain't gonna be able to grow, by nails go up. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put it high, and I just wanna cover all this. It looks a little nasty because you got one thing kind here, another kind here, another kind there. Then you got this other kind over here. These have been scraps that I've been putting on. Oh, another one over there. These have been scraps that I've been putting on just to save the plant from chickens and all that. But it doesn't work because they're low. So I am going to solve this problem. I'm going to first start here. And that gives me enough time for them to cut the tree off one day or whatever the heck they plan to do. Which is like calling and calling and calling, and they tell me, yes, in 2 weeks, yes, in 2 weeks, yes, in 2 weeks. I have a funny feeling they just don't want to do it, So my next thing is, I already found how you call it, the office for the disabled, rights of the disabled. And, well, if they don't cut it, I'm going to have to then call them. I don't like to give complaints, but when you don't have no choice, and you feel like they discriminating you, you got to do something. Right now, I explained to the guy, I cannot stand there where there's a loop going down. I can't, my hands are not that strong, like to, if anything, I can't even go there unless, somebody's with me. So I can't go to the other side either, because all I got is the doorway. All the tree and all that junk is all over. So what happens? And in the doorway, I call it this thing right here, that thing, the wing. I call it the wing. That wing is twisted, and it was falling cement from up there. It has stopped a little, but you never know. You could get hit, could get cut. I don't want my granddaughters there, unless they're just going to go out and come in or whatever, but not to stay standing there, And so that's what I'm going to do. They told me that the secretary comes this Monday. We'll see, because I'm going to be calling Tuesday. And if nothing happens, then I'm just going to call the disability rights. I don't know how they call it in English. I just call it disability rights. But in Spanish is procuradora de impedido. So I'll probably just do that. But anyway, in the meantime, I'm going to keep planting. I'm going to keep doing beautiful things. And I got to plant more. So that's going to happen too. I'm going to plant more things. My mother gave me more seeds last night before she left. She was here just for vacationing. She's gone. She went back home. But she gave me a lot of seeds, and I'm going to be planting them somehow. I'm going to find a way of planting all of them. So that's all for now. God bless you all. Until next time. Bye-bye.